The Wonderful Tar Baby, written by Uncle Remus. Peter Fox was doing what he usually did, trying to catch Peter Rabbit, but he'd be damned if this time he did not catch the pesky vermin. Once and for all, Peter Fox mixed up a big pot of sticky tar and pulled and pat it into the shape of a body, the shape the shape of a baby. Then he I, up the road sat the tar baby sitting in the dust and went to lay low in the ditch. By and by, Birrer Rabbit bouncing down, come bouncing down the road. Uh, the road. Good morning. He greeted the tar baby. Nice day, and it. But the tar baby did not better. You tear out. पता नहीं क्या है. I says, shouted Birrer Rabbit, just in case the tar baby had not cleaned his ears. Recently got morning nice day, and it. The tar baby just started straight ahead, and you got no manners. Birrer Rabbit asked crossly. Still the tar baby stayed silent. By this time, Birrer Rabbit was hopping from foot to foot, madder than a snake in a wasp's nest. You 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 did better. Speak to me civil like, or else he hollered. But the tar baby simply ignored Mirror Rabbit. Well, I guess you have done gone and asked for this. Mirror Rabbit shrieked. Blip, he thumbed the tar baby straight in the mouth, and his first was stuck fast to the tar baby's face. You let me go, Mirror Rabbit yelled. Let me go, or I will let you have another blam. Mirror Rabbit shocked the tar baby again, and his other feet became glued to its head. Smack, he kicked the tar baby and was left hopping around on one leg. Whereof another kick, and the tar baby was holding him off the ground. Right, you have really had it now. Mirror Rabbit screamed. Thunk, he had buttered the tar baby and found himself stuck eye to eye. All this, all this time, Mirror Fox had been holding on to so much laughter he thought he was going to burst. He leaped out of his hidden place and howled, my Mirror Rabbit, what flag of ways have you got yourself into this time? I suppose you are gonna have a tasty um, barbecues burning for Super. Birrer Rabbit admitted. Yeah, grinned Brother Fox, licking his lip. Well, I am glad you are going to dress me up with some sauce and warm me over your fire, Brother Rabbit smiled. I did much rather you did that than throw me in that briar patch over there. Hang on a minute, thought Brother Fox, and his face filled that no good rabbit seemed quite pleased about being roasted. I have changed my mind. Mirror Fox said, I am gonna hang you instead, and I glad it's good all hanging and not being thrown in the Briar patch. Signed, Briar Rabbit. Briar Fox frowned. I mean, I am going to drown you. He snarled. Fine, fine, smiled Briar Rabbit gaily. Dip me in the water and at least I will die clean. Just don't throw me in that there mirror patch. That's all. At that mirror fox was at that mirror fox was sure that the very worst thing he could do to Mirror Rabbit was the hurl him into the mirror patch. He grabbed him round the waist and pulled him at it and slap. Mirror Rabbit come unstuck from the tar. Baby Mirror Fox spun round and round and Mirror Rabbit went sailing high into the air and come down donk into the mirror patch. Mirror Fox began to smile contentedly. I have bested he a high speech giggly come from the far side of the blood patch, and when Mirror Fox squinted into the sunshine he could just see Mirror Rabbit hopping away into the distance. I have born and bred in a mirror patch. Mirror Fox, he was singing. Mirror Fox boiled with rage and thumped the very first thing that come to hand, and you know what that was, don't you?